Menteri katanat kakoi kikya uba wailat miki Sylla hak arkundai trik yayong ula ong baka Sorkar kadon ya kajing Thmu ban pynkylla biang ya ka MBBS bond policy kenang ban pentikna bagi doktor kinwan pai ban ajing shakri hapo ke Jylla hadin bagi la pendap ya kajing puli MBBS dak bakadau halor kajing duna doktor hak ke Jylla kamtam hagitan nong kendong. Habakiran syakilat ptai kubor uba wailat ula ong baka Jylla kalapa iki samla puli manla usnam Henry Bun Kim Juan Pai ban ajing shakri hak Jylla kamtam syakitan nong kendong. Ula ong ru baka Sorkar kalashim kongsan hakmat hakabayade berkajing mang tingka nakabenta kakoi kikya dakaba mang hadu prapasan nakamang tingka syak tanat kakoi kikya bat kabadeiru kabahetam hapo kari kumba kalong menta. Kajing mang nakabenta wei ubriuru kakam he shibun banya kajing kenjong kari barok kawai. Kajing penlut nakabenta wei ubriu hakashisnam India kalong kumba lai hacar sanspa tingka Henry ha Meghalaya ngila pendut palan henyo hacar tingka nakabenta wei ubriu laong. Ngalasong jingalang bat umentri rangba bat kakinhun ki doktor jongi bat ngila perkat ikilat kilinti baladai ngila banwanra e kajing pynkylla hakabon polisi ru namar bon na kijing bangi syam kalong ba manla usnam ngila pha e samla ban puli doktor Henry Bon Kim Juan Pai Shu ban shakri hak Jylla kamtam habaki yo kam shakitan nong kendong ulaong. Haba penpau baka jing Thmu pynkylla kalong ban pentikna halur kajing ajing shakri ulaong. Day nakatakadaw ngila persyang banwanra ya kajing pynkylla hakabon polisi hakabagi samla puli jongi kibalit puli MBBS hadian bagila pendap ya kajing puli kinhap banwan pai bat bantray hapo ke Jylla. Bante lakam ya kajing duna ki doktor specialist hakitan nong kendong lapha ki doktor nakabenta ki jinglet penteben basipor ong umentri. Ulak doru halur kajing yan hakaliang kajing puli doktor hak Jylla da kajing sedang ke Shillong Medical College ya kabaj kebaningkong jong ka MBBS menta usnam. Nalur kata ula ong baka Sorkar kalakin tiu kerdan ru iki nursing school bat college banang penbuan ikilan iki samla da kabaong. Mentai ngila persyang ban pynkylla ya buan na ki nursing school jongi syai ki nursing college kenang bakin nang kampli ya kilat kilinti.
Right now, if you see the kind of effort, the kind of initiative, the kind of support which the government is giving, and if you see for that matter that Meghalaya is giving 8% of the total budget allocation to health department, the highest in the country right now, and the annual spend, I mean like the spending, the annual spending of each person in India, the average is 3,500, but in Meghalaya we are spending more than 7,000 each in each person. So I mean like we are like that shows that the kind of priority we are giving, the kind of push we are giving, but no doubt just giving money is not enough. But we need to have a vision. We need to have a plan, and as you all know, health department is a very vast department. And as of now, as you could see that, especially this year, we could start the first batch of the doctors in the Shillong Medical College. We have started Shillong Medical College, so that's mean that the medical education also is growing, and now we are trying to convert most of our nursing school to nursing college. So they will get more avenues, more and other than that, and then we are trying to come up with because of the shortage of the specialists in the rural areas. So that's why we are sending them for short-term courses also. And from my end, I have sat and discussed with CM and with our team from the medical education also, that we are exploring that if we could come up in the change in this bond policy also. Because most of the issues which we find that no doubt every year we are sending our doctors, but most of them they don't come back or join their duties, especially in the rural posting. So that's why we are coming up, we are trying that if we could come up with any change in the bond policy where our student who pursue the MBBS, after they complete, they will come and work in our state.